Lisk is an environment of interoperable blockchain applications created with a mission of everybody profited from the blockchain. Lisk permits engineers to foster decentralized applications without any preparation, including plan, improvement, posting in the dApp store, and dispersing and adapting their decentralized applications. It is the main decentralized arrangement totally written in JavaScript. Every one of these are upheld by Lisk sidechain agreement usefulness. Dissimilar to find out about Play Store or Macintosh Store, Lisk doesn't have control of the blockchain dApp stage since it runs freely on numerous PCs on the public blockchain. The Lisk network incorporates custom blockchain, registering hubs, distributed storage, savvy contracts, everything from one industry arrangement. The Product Advancement Pack permits the designers to consistently foster the application with no extra abilities to help the standard. The local digital currency of Lisk is called LSK. With Lisk Coin or BTC, clients can pay through an underlying receipt framework on the site to utilize all the cloud capabilities. Lisk takes the various charges from clients for the exchanges while enrolling a client, enlisting as a second passphrase, enlisting as a representative. Lisk's blockchain application stage is where blockchain project developers can track down the colleagues, allies, and financing from aficionados. Lisk has separated its clients into 3 client classes as follows. Lisk LSK Crucial Investigation. Lisk was established by Max Cortex and Oliver Beddoes in 2016. It is settled in Switzerland. Around 14,000 bitcoins are utilized in the underlying coin offering. It is a very much established association with 15 specialists for long-haul development. Lisk refreshes its monetary subtleties and accomplishment position in each month-to-month way blog on the authority site. Lisk has separated its guide as quartz, golden, ruby, emerald, sapphire, jewel from the last month's information. Lisk arrived at the degree of emerald on August 21, 2021. And entered to Sapphire stage. Lisk merits a drawn-out venture in light of its steadily developing excursion and the persistent updates and extension of innovation. 36 Lisk improvement recommendations have been distributed toward the finish of the Emerald stage. Lisk has relocated from Mainnet v2 to Mainnet v3. V3 has another expansion gotten address framework. Lisk has contracted with significant organizations for improvement and market reach. The light bend is for research improvement and advertising. Bitcoin Suis is for exchanging and liquidation, Lucrise Finance is for the purpose of bookkeeping, and so on. The organization has been an individual from the INATBA, Crypto Valley affiliation, Swiss Blockchain League. Lisk has started an award program for engineers and business people to create blockchain applications with the assistance of Lisk SDK. Lisk give awards for the people who report bugs and issue in the framework. The absolute resource held by the organization in September 2021 was around $133,977,131.98. Specialized investigation of LSK. Lisk cost today is above $2.17 with an exchanging volume of $8,039,300.74. The base cost on the exchanging meeting is $1.99. And the greatest cost is $2.05. According to verifiable information, the most exorbitant cost at which Lisk LSK exchanged was $31.30 in 2018. The ongoing cost of Lisk LSK is 90% not exactly the untouched high. The untouched low is 9 cents. Lisk LSK has an all-out market cap of $279,827,697.10, with a circling supply of 128,900,445 LSK computerized coins. Market opinions for the coin are unbiased. Lisk Digital Money had a cost ascend throughout the previous 1 month. Lisk LSK has gone through a consistent fall in the day-to-day outline after the digital money market plunge on September 7th. Traveling through the constant sell Lisk signals it took to help and return quickly to its ongoing worth. The cost change in Lisk LSK has been steady for the last month. Lisk LSK has been continuing on a sideways pattern for the last 3-4 exchanging meetings. It tried the help level of $2.55, returned, and broke the obstruction zone of $3 to $3.50. The following quick obstruction is put at $3.79. And the following opposition level is $4.60. Lisk LSK value needs to cross the significant opposition level of $5.11 before any further move. As of the ongoing value, Lisk LSK is supposed to break out soon. When the Lisk cost bounces the $2 opposition zone, $4 is the other obstruction level. Costs have contacted the 20 mA, 50 mA, and 200 mA levels. The typical directional file is impartial. The worldwide patterns of a significant number of the digital currencies have been level for the last week. Consequently, Lisk LSK is likewise exchanging level, however, expecting a purchase Lisk sign for merchants soon. In light of our specialized examination and Lisk cost expectation, The momentary dealers can start an exchange, and financial backers can hang tight for a breakout from the ongoing cost level prior to effective money management. Specialized pointers on the day-to-day graph show that the MACD line has crossed the sign line, which starts a bullish pattern. RSI is set at 54, and that implies Lisk fans are bullish on the conjectures and have begun purchasing Lisk. On balance, volume marker is additionally great. Bollinger Groups began extending once the Lisk cost began moving over the sideways pattern. Forecasts from the specialized investigation show that the LSK coin will give a transient positive value change and ascend to anticipated levels. Lisk value forecast 2022 to 2026. Lisk cost forecast 2022 is on an upturn. LSK will exchange at any rate cost of $2.45 levels in November and is supposed to ascend to $2.68 before the current year's over. The typical cost of Lisk for the ongoing year will be around $2.62. Every one of the transient markers are bullish, demonstrating a purchase signal. LSK value expectation 2022. As of digital money forecasts toward the start of 2022, the LSK worth will exchange at the value level of $2.45. The typical cost will be around $2.62. Lisk cost forecasts for the year show that when Lisk cost contacts a greatest degree of $2.83, the LSK cost is determined to expect a negative cost change. Lisk LSK value forecast 2023, as indicated by the drawn-out Lisk cost expectation. The base cost of LSK coins will be around $2.64 toward the start of the year. The cost conjecture is bullish and crosses a value limit of $3.15 around the same time, and the typical cost in 2023 is $2.92. Lisk value estimate 2024. Estimates from various sources and long-haul diagrams show LSK cost is anticipated to open at $2.46 toward the start of the year. Financial backers are searching for a steam expansion in Lisk. The greatest cost for the year is $3.30, which is toward the start of 2024. LSK is estimated at a typical cost of $2.72. Lisk value gauge 2025. LSK cost expectation 2025 shows that continuous worth expansion is going on in LSK costs and accomplishing a higher high in long-haul estimates. Over the 5 years, the organization is anticipating finishing all the guide and cost expectation reach to $2 to $4 levels, with a typical cost of Lisk at $3.80 for the year. The coin value most extreme can go past the reach for any trigger. When it crosses the greater part of everything time levels, the coin is supposed to achieve force and further upturn. Lisk value forecast 2026. LSK holds tremendous potential, and our drawn-out cost figure is bullish, and the coin cost could cross the $3.88 mark. The greatest value level may be $3.99, and the base value level may be around $3.25. What will Lisk be worth in 2030? LSK cost will build as per our conjecture information later on, and it could hit $10.33 toward the finish of 2030. Would it be advisable for me to add LSK to my portfolio?